Nvidia, baby, this ain't your daddy's chip company. Nvidia is the engine driving the AI revolution. Their chips power everything from self-driving cars to ChatGPT. And guess what? Wall Street has noticed, big time. Nvidia's stock has been on a tear, making it a darling of the tech-heavy Nasdaq. Why? Because everyone wants a piece of the AI pie, and Nvidia's serving it up. This company is at the forefront of a technological tsunami, and investors are betting big on their continued success. But hold your horses. Nvidia's upcoming earnings report could be a game changer. Will they beat expectations and send the market soaring? Or will they stumble, sending shockwaves through the tech sector? That's the billion-dollar question, folks, and we're all on the edge of our seats waiting for the answer. Earnings day is like Judgment Day for Nvidia. A strong report could ignite a market rally. Investors are hungry for good news, and Nvidia could be the feast they've been craving. A beat on revenue and earnings per share, that's the recipe for a stock surge, my friends, but beware. A disappointing report could spell disaster. If Nvidia misses the mark, it could trigger a market sell-off. Tech stocks are already priced for perfection. Any sign of weakness could send investors running for the exits. It's a high-stakes game, and the pressure is on. The entire market is watching Nvidia. This isn't just about one company, it's about the future of the AI boom. If Nvidia falters, it could cast a shadow over the entire tech sector. The stakes are high, folks, and the world is watching to see how this drama unfolds. The bulls are betting on Nvidia's continued dominance. They see AI as the future, and they believe Nvidia is the key to unlocking its potential. Demand for Nvidia's chips is through the roof, and their innovation shows no signs of slowing down. The bulls are roaring with confidence, ready to ride Nvidia's success to even greater heights. But the bears are growling, warning of an overheated market. They see Nvidia's stock as overpriced and vulnerable to a correction. They point to rising interest rates and inflation as threats to the tech sector's growth. The bears are lurking in the shadows, ready to pounce if Nvidia shows any sign of weakness. It's a classic battle between optimism and pessimism, between greed and fear. Who will win? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be a wild ride. In this section, Tech Titans, caught in the crossfire, we see how Nvidia's earnings will have ripple effects throughout the tech world. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, they're all watching closely. A strong performance from Nvidia could boost the entire sector, lifting these tech giants to new highs. It's a rising tide that could lift all boats, but a weak report could drag them down. Tech stocks are interconnected, and Nvidia's stumble could send shockwaves through the entire market. These tech titans are not immune to the forces that drive the market. They're all part of the same ecosystem, and Nvidia's fate could impact them all. The tech sector is a delicate dance between innovation and competition. These companies are both partners and rivals, pushing each other to new heights while vying for market share. Nvidia's earnings will be a key indicator of the sector's health, shaping the landscape for these tech titans in the months to come. In Section 5, the Economy's Balancing Act, we explore how the stock market doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's influenced by the broader economic landscape. Interest rates, inflation, consumer confidence, these factors all play a role in shaping market sentiment. And they're all in flux right now. Rising interest rates make it more expensive for companies to borrow money, potentially slowing down growth. Inflation eats away at corporate profits, making it harder to meet earnings expectations. These economic headwinds could weigh on the market even if Nvidia delivers stellar results. The Federal Reserve is walking a tightrope, trying to tame inflation without triggering a recession. Their every move is scrutinized by Wall Street, as investors try to gauge the impact on the market. It's a delicate balancing act, and the outcome remains uncertain, adding another layer of complexity to Nvidia's earnings drama. In Section 6, Investor Action Riding the Wave, we ask, so what's an investor to do in this uncertain environment? First, don't panic. Nvidia's earnings are just one data point, albeit a significant one. Don't make rash decisions based on a single event. Second, do your homework. Understand the factors driving the market, both in the tech sector and the broader economy. Knowledge is power, especially in the volatile world of investing. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ups and downs of the market. Finally, stay nimble. The market is constantly changing and you need to be able to adapt. Don't be afraid to adjust your portfolio based on new information and changing market conditions. The key is to stay informed, stay flexible, and stay ahead of the curve.